my backyard, cleaning out the turtle water. It's right over here. And I let my turtles out of their little home so they can take a walk. They're just sitting here. Let's see if they move, if I move out of the way. Those are my birds chirping, by the way. There's my birds. I'll walk over to the birds so you guys can check out the birds. Maybe the turtles will walk when they see me away. Say hello. Hello. They all look the same, so I can't name them because I wouldn't know how to tell them apart. Sitting in the dock of the bay. That one always chills in the basket. And there's the big turtle trying to walk away, that little shit. Look at him. Look at him. Come back here. Oh, no, he didn't. He got stuck. You little... Oh. Stay. 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 Okay, I gotta go. He's going crazy. He's going crazy. I need to give him a bath. Stop. Stop. Damn it. He's going crazy. These ones just don't want to move. He wants to move. You better stay. I'm right here in front of you. Look at me. Say hello. You're on camera. And this one wants to try to make a move and he's not going to. Yo, I'm a turtle. Alright, I gotta go because this turtle is pissing me off. Put him in their water. Say bye.